Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting distractions. Unplug external drives and peripherals so they don't block startup. If the system is frozen, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a shutdown. This clears transient hangs. Once done, press and hold Shift while selecting Restart or use F8 during boot to enter WinRe. In WinRe, you'll get repair tools. Make sure to choose the correct drive and avoid guessing. This ensures you use recovery options without risking other disks. Once in WinRe, pick Troubleshoot and run automatic repair first. It quickly resolves common boot issues. If restarting still fails, boot into safe mode to remove any suspect drivers or recent updates. This isolates software causing the loop. Next, open Command Prompt. Run sfc/scano to repair system files, and then chkdsk/f on your Windows drive to fix disk errors. These commands repair common corruption. Make sure you let them finish fully before rebooting so repairs apply correctly. If repairs haven't fixed it, use System Restore to roll back to a known good restore point. This reverses recent harmful changes. When that fails, choose Reset this PC, select Keep My Files first, or remove everything if corruption persists. After restoring or resetting, install Windows updates and latest drivers to prevent recurrence. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, record any on-screen error codes and check motherboard or SSD firmware. Those codes guide targeted fixes and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.